Technology is everywhere, from the games we play and the movies we love, to the tools that connect and shape our world. But learning how to use technology is no longer enough. Today, we need to understand how to integrate it wisely. Artificial intelligence now decides who gets hired, predicts our habits, and even judges our choices online. So we have to ask, is AI hiring fair? What about privacy? Should video games or social media be controlled? These are not just technical questions. They are ethical ones. AI and automation are transforming the workforce, creating new opportunities, but also new inequalities, and we should be aware of both sides. In the RGV, where community and care define who we are, we must ensure technology serves people, not replaces them. Learning to integrate AI means preparing for jobs that don't yet exist and protecting the dignity of those that already do. It also means using technology responsibly to protect our planet, empower communities, and collaborate across cultures. When students, engineers, philosophers, and educators work together, innovation becomes ethical innovation, and the Valley moves forward sustainably. At UTRGV, learning to integrate technology isn't just about coding or data. It's about understanding people, values, and culture. Because when knowledge meets empathy, technology becomes a force for good, right here in the Rio Grande Valley and beyond. Join us in building a better future with technology and ethics. Thanks for watching, and remember, learn, integrate, and lead.